I get this question a lot. What is CSR2 rating? Since I post Iowa farmland price reports every week and cover the dollars per acre averages and dollars per CSR2 averages for farmland sales that happen in Iowa. But CSR2 stands for Corn Suitability Rating, which measures the quality of the soils of a farm, and it's used in Iowa. Other states use a soil productivity rating as well, such as NCCPI or PI, Productivity Index. So the ratings study soil productivity, not soil fertility. Soil fertility can change depending on farming practices, what crop is grown, and the nutrients that are applied to the soil are already in the soil. That's why you do soil tests. Soil productivity, however, does not change, and it measures a farm's ability to be intensely farmed over a long period of time. It was actually developed by an Iowa State professor, go Cyclones, Thomas Fenton in 1971, and it was revamped a little bit to CSR2. It was just CSR, so CSR2 in 2011. And why it is important, why people should care, is because it's used to determine how farmland is taxed. So higher quality farms with a higher CSR2 rating are taxed more than lower quality farms, determined by the CSR2 value. So CSR2 rating is from 0 to 100, and I want to share a map with you of to find the CSR2 of a farm we sold in Butler County. So I'm going to share that. This is an example of what a soil map looks like, and I know you can't quite read it, but it calculates the weighted average of the CSR2. So each soil type has a different CSR2 value assigned to it, and it looked like there was 3 different soil types for this farm. So one was at 90 CSR2, then 84 CSR2, and 88 CSR2. So this soil maps shows the calculations, the weighted average, which was 87.6 CSR2 for the whole entire farm of 36 acres. CSR2 also helps people decide how much they're willing to spend on a farm. So that's why we use a calculation, the dollars per CSR2, because farmland is also kind of calculated on that. So when sellers reach out, we use the dollars per CSR2 averages to get a rough idea of what your farm might be worth. And that's what buyers also look at when they're bidding on a farm. They look at that dollars per CSR2 and the dollars per acre average. So that's what CSR2 is and why it's important.